to go before his mandatory retirement age of 56. So nasa kanya yan if he doesn't give up his rank, his 4-star rank. There should be only one 4-star rank in the Philippine National Police, and that is the Chief PNP. Ngayon na siya, Chief PNP, siya binigyan ng 4-star rank, hindi pwedeng magkakaroon ng dalawang 4-star. So, paritarin mo na siya bago ma-4-star yung i-appoint na bagong Chief PNP. Kung pipilitin mo siyang mag-retire, that would be against the law. Voluntaryo na mag-retire because feeling niya naawa siya kay General Nartatis or whoever is the next the incoming Chief PNP, naawa siya na hindi makuha yung 4-star, di na sa kanya na rin yan. Pwede magkakaroon ng dalawang 4-star sa PNP.